In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with lowballers on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever tried selling items online, you know how frustrating it can be when someone offers significantly less than your asking price. But don't worry, I've got some insights and strategies for you that can help you handle these kinds of interactions smoothly and effectively, so you're all set to sell your item and you've listed it on Facebook Marketplace. The first thing you might encounter is someone making an offer that's way below your expectation. Here's a handy tip. You can actually increase the initial price slightly above what you're hoping to get. This gives you a bit of negotiating room. For instance, if you want to sell a gadget for $200, consider listing it for $250. This way, when potential buyers negotiate, you can come down to your desired price without too much hassle. Once you've set your price and get contacted by a potential buyer, head over to your Facebook Marketplace inbox. Here, you'll find all the current conversations with people interested in making a purchase. Select the chat with the person who made the lowball offer to begin your negotiations. Now, you might be unsure of what to say next. A polite and strategic response could be something like, "Thanks for your offer. I was really hoping to get closer to $250. Would you be able to meet somewhere in the middle?" This not only shows your willingness to negotiate, but also sets a fair expectation for the buyer. Now, sometimes, no matter how fair or polite you are, some people just won't budge or may even become aggressive or rude in their tactics. When that happens, it's perfectly okay to step back from the interaction. There's a great feature on Facebook Marketplace that allows you to exit a conversation or leave a group if the discussion isn't going in a positive direction, and it's important to remember to use it if necessary. You should never feel pressured to sell at a price you're uncomfortable with, and your peace of mind is worth more than an unfavorable sale. Remember, dealing with lowballers is a common part of online selling, but with the right approach, it doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. By setting a strategic starting price, communicating clearly, and knowing when to disengage from unproductive conversations, you can keep your sales process smooth and successful. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.